Alright guys, this is attempt number 2 to open this on camera. This is Peacemaker by Steel and Pinnings. It's on a vachette. Look at that shiny key. That's what we're working with. Works smooth. There's some clicking happening, but that's okay. Now I have opened this lock before, but I just spent, I just spent 10 minutes on it and wasn't able to get anywhere, so we'll try once more. This was actually a lock that I sent to Steel and Pinnings. It was one of my very first lock trades. I was pretty new into the hobby. I hadn't made any challenge locks, but I had ordered several Euro cylinders just to try something new, and this was one of them. So I sawed it in half and sent him one half, and of course he made it into a wicked challenge lock. And now I'm almost regretting sending it to him. If you've never opened a vachette before, they're pretty fun. They're not necessarily tricky. If you're heavy-handed like I am, they can be tricky though. You have to have very light tension because I made with pretty good machining tolerances, and they don't have any security driver pins, but all of the key pins that are long enough are torpedoes. So a lot of overset traps. And looking at that key that we had earlier, there are a lot of low pins I have to watch out for. I think that's what was hanging me up the first time I tried to do it. I kept oversetting things. Now right now I'm in a false set. It's not huge, but it's there. And I'm fairly certain this contains T-pins, so I won't even necessarily get counter rotation. This silk may have too much reach. Yeah. Switch for a short hook and 15 thousandths from the Praxis set. Number 2 is really high, and I'm wondering if I'm not setting it all the way. I'm wondering if my pry bar is blocking it. So let's move a pry bar. Right at a normal windshield wiper insert. Oh yeah, and the crackling sound you may be hearing, it's at night again and my wife is out of the house, so I'm here with our daughter, and that's the monitor. And we have a sound machine in her room, so that's what you're hearing. Man, oh man. I've opened this lock before. A few times it was even actually pretty quick. But clearly isn't quick now. Alright, let's try switching it up. If counterclockwise wasn't working, we'll try clockwise. I normally like to do 5 minutes on the side before I move on. because this is one of the first Euro cylinders that I ever opened. I have an earlier video on my channel where I opened the other half of this lock. I've got a pretty good falset, so I should be close. I'm just hung up on a T-pin, I think. Oh, just let something drop. And it's only a 5-pin lock, so there's only so many that I can check. Unless I fall into one of the overset traps. Wow, that just got really deep. Oh, there we go. Finally got that open. That was a really, really nice lock. Alright, and I'm going to use a tray made by Truckmaster 30. Let's see. I can lock it up because we have a key and we know it works. Come on. There we go. Circ clip off. Here's the key. Use a shim because who knows what manner of evil is in this. Nice and easy. Oh, that's upside down. Awesome. That's hilarious. Alright, well. Let's have a quick lesson on how you know which one is where. Okay, it's not there. That's hilarious. This key is kind of funky shaped, so I thought I had it, but I guess not. Luckily, I'm so familiar with this lock. All right. There we go. Everything's nice and flush. That's hilarious. Okay. Number 1, torpedo. Number 2 is not a torpedo. It's not long enough to really come into play. 4 is a torpedo, 5 is a torpedo. These are all this way from the factory, so there are no modifications. Alright, we have, I move my head, some more light, threading in 1, 2, and 5, and under cutting in 3. Very nice. Let's remove our shim. My wrist just cracked. That was fun. Okay, number 1. Ooh. Number 1 is a 3-part pin. That would explain why sometimes this lock was somewhat easy to open and other times it was a struggle. Ooh. Man. Number 2 is a beautiful serrated T-pin. And I'll show a close-up of all of these at the end. Wow, I am struggling. That's what happens when you haven't done any challenge locks in a while. Number 3 is a serrated pin. Number 5 is from the Lock Noob chess set. There's a spring in 3, but he's hiding. Oh well. We'll leave them in there then. Nice serrated spool in 5. There we go. And these are the same. So, all right. Modifications upstairs. Not seeing anything. Let's look at these. Need to work on this lighting. Maybe I'll put it like that. Anyway. 1, 2, 4, and 5 of the key pins. I'll have that nice overset trap right there. One is this beautiful 3-part pin. So there's the center. It has that on top with a single serration. And that beneath it with multiple serrations. That is beautiful. It's no wonder this lock was kind of a struggle. Number 2 is this beautiful serrated T-pin. Number 3, just a fairly normal serrated pin. 4 is a pawn, queen? I don't know. Something from the chess set by Lock Noob. And 5 is a serrated spool. Springs 1, 2, and 4 are the same, and 3 and 5 are the same. I need to get more light. Alright guys, that is what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed that. If so, please like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.